Welcome back to another video where I show you how to divide polynomials using long division. This question was requested from one of our viewers, so sit back and enjoy while we solve it together. We're asked to find the quotient and remainder when 3x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 3 plus 7x plus 7 is divided by x to the power of 2 minus 1. If we were to look at this in a fraction view, it would look like this, where we have 3x to the power of 4, essentially that first expression as the numerator, and at the bottom, x to the power of 2 minus 1. To divide this using long division, we take the denominator, which becomes our divisor, x to the power of 2 minus 1, and we divide it with that, which is the dividend in this expression. What's found in here is called a dividend. 3x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 3 plus 7x plus 4. As you can see, the divisor here is missing the x term. It is a quadratic, so we want to fill that in for visual sake. So I'll write down x to the power of 2 plus 0x minus 1. And over here, we're missing the x to the power of 2 term. So let's also fill that in. Plus 0x to the power of 2 plus 7x plus 7. The number here will serve as our quotient. So here's how it's done. Starting with this very first term, 3x to the power of 4, we will divide that with x to the power of 2. 3x to the power of 4 divided by x to the power of 2. Using the laws of exponents, we subtract 4 minus 2, gives us 3x to the power of 2. So I'll write that down, 3x to the power of 2. Then I'll multiply this very first term in the quotient to each of these three terms. So this times that is 3x to the power of 4. This times that is 0. And this times negative 1 is negative 3x to the power of 2. What we do next is subtract each of these terms. So subtracting these two, we get 0. Subtracting these, we get x to the power of 3. And subtracting these, we get positive 3x squared. Now that we're finished subtracting, I'll bring this term down, positive 7x, and we repeat the process. So x to the power of 3, this very first term in the remainder, divided by x to the power of 2, that gives us x. So I'll write down plus x. This green x is going to be multiplied to these three terms, x cubed plus 0 minus x, we subtract. Subtracting these, 0, and then 3x squared, and 7x minus x, which is positive 8x. Let's bring that down now, positive 7. Okay, again, 3x squared divided by x to the power of 2 is 3. So positive 3 goes in the quotient, that's the third term. 3 times all of these three terms is 3x squared plus 0. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. That results to 0. And then we have 8x. 7 plus 3, we have two negatives side by side, is positive 10. This expression right here serves as our remainder. And the expression up here serves as our quotient.